when I'm on the go, like especially if I'm on a run or something, then I don't have to pull out my phone. I could just like record what I'm seeing. So point of view, camera recording and photos, being able to just ask AI a question. Like I haven't activated these yet, but I could just say, hey, Meta, and ask whatever question, like I'm talking to ChatGPT. Welcome to King Moves. In chess, the king moves one step at a time, but that single move can change everything. Each week, we explore mindset shifts and simple actions that could lead to the next breakthrough in your business and life. I'm your co-host, Ethan King, from Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Entrepreneur, TEDx speaker, and best-selling author of Wealth Beyond Money.
And I'm your co-host, Justin King, no relation to Ethan, from Cape Town, South Africa. Entrepreneur, speaker, and business growth strategist. Our journey crosses continents and cultures as we think out loud, challenge assumptions, and uncover the small moves that create big momentum. Welcome to King Moves. Let's start the conversation.
All right, so Justin, I ordered these it's been about 2 months now. The new Meta Ray-Ban displays. So they, you can't just order them, or at least you couldn't back then. You have to book a demonstration and go learn how to use them. And then they'll place your order for you. And it took about 8 weeks for them to arrive. So
I
here's,
remember you mentioning it.
yeah, so here's the case. And let's see.
But what are you hoping these are going to do for you, Ethan?
Well, make me look cool and have something to talk about. They're $800, so they're not cheap.
Yeah.
And I like the current, I have the current version, and I basically use them as a camera on the go. So they still have the built-in cameras, and they have the built-in where you can talk to AI. So when I'm on the go, like especially if I'm on a run or something, then I don't have to pull out my phone. I could just like record what I'm seeing. So point of view, camera recording and photos, being able to just ask AI a question. Like I haven't activated these yet, but I could just say, hey, Meta, and ask whatever question, like I'm talking to ChatGPT. But these new display ones, they come with a band. So this is really a really cool feature that I wished I had on the other ones, is that you can't zoom in on anything like on the camera. But with these new ones, it comes with this band.
Yeah.
And it allows you to turn your wrist, and you can zoom. You have a display now that you see in the corner of your eye, and I can zoom in on a photo and then just like click my fingers together and take the photo. It's really cool.
That's crazy.
And you could,
They do
a
look
little
cool, by
menu
the way.
pops up. Oh, thank you.
And your IQ's gone up. Your IQ's gone up since you put those on as well.
I'll try to look as smart as you, Justin. So we both need to have on glasses here. So we both. But yeah, it's really cool. Oh, and it also has a display. I'll probably find this useful because I find myself in different cities walking around and I don't know where I'm going, and I don't want to have my phone out looking at directions. That's what happened to me in Cape Town. I got my phone stolen. Yeah. Well, I'll probably get these stolen if I were there too. But it has a heads up display so that when you're walking, you see a map and it's telling you the directions in your ear, because these have little speakers right here.
Okay.
So you can listen to music, you can listen to turn-by-turn directions, podcasts, whatever. You can interact with it. But it's really cool to be walking and you see a little map. So it's like you're navigating in the car, except you're getting that while you're walking.
All right.
So, I'm excited about it.
Yeah, I'm excited about them too. You're going to have to report back and tell us the first major use case that you used them for, what it was, and how you're finding the product. Because we've done the unboxing now, but you're going to have to give us a little bit more next time, I think.
Yeah, for sure. Here's the band. Yeah, I'll definitely report back. I will definitely report back and tell you real world use cases. Are you a fan of smart glasses? You have them on your list or no?
I don't really. Like, I'm not a massive techie and tech ed. So there are a lot of these things that I just don't worry about too much. But maybe those are getting to the stage where they were. There we go. There's the band. It looks like a whoop.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. But those are great. And that's why I'm curious to hear what the use case is and what you really find, because what you described makes sense. But I'm curious if there's something else that comes up that you're like, man, I did not think about that. I didn't buy them for this, but this has been a game changer. This has changed my life.
Yeah. I'll definitely report back on that. But I'm definitely an early adopter on it. And I think we'll see more of these on the marketplace from different brands, different styles. I think it's the next interface.
Yeah. Amazing.
All right.
Thanks for taking
All right,
us
cool.
on the unboxing journey.
That's a wrap for today's episode of King Moves. Quick favor before we go. If this episode made you think differently or helped you see your next move more clearly, take 30 seconds and leave us a review. It helps the show reach leaders who need these conversations. Remember, in chess, like in business, one right move can change everything.
Take today's action step, make your move, and build momentum. And if you found value in today's episode, share it with someone who's ready for the next breakthrough. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our weekly conversations.
Until next time.